Hello, hello. This is part one, or this may be the only video, of creating a polymarket trading bot entirely with AI because I have lost my job and any chance of a job in the future, and how I'm creating it. So basically, it's very simple. A polymarket is a prediction market that they give you the leaderboard of all the profitable traders, which is just it's overpowered. And now we're going to create a bot that will take all of these top traders and their positions. The way I'm doing that is through the API here. As you can see, we have a list markets endpoint. You can get the order books of users, and there is a way to get all of the users here. See leaderboard, get leaderboard rankings. And that's very useful because that means that we can programmatically meaning have our script automatically scrape all of these through the back end instantly, and then take all of their positions and then create a collective. So a collective of what they're all holding, and then decide what to trade. What this looks like here, if you look at the main script I have, by the way, I'm running this in a Cloudflare worker. It's very useful. It's $5 a month, and it gives you all the cloud computing that you would need for most projects. Not paid to promote that, but anyway, so honestly, I wish I was paid to promote that. But how this is going to work is very simply uses the polymarket functions here that I've outlined, and then after that, it's just going to fetch the top traders through the endpoint, and then it's going to map all of their stats. So it'll be their P&L, their volume, best rank, their weight. I believe that is how much they bet on yes or no. I'm not sure actually, but and then fetch all positions. So for a wallet and trader wallets, meaning out of all the wallets, it's going to scrape here. It's going to get all of their top positions. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And after that, it's just going to create a consensus map, as you can see. And it will create, I guess, positions of what the bot should trade based off of a score here. So that's essentially how this works. And last step is I need to use a VPN. So I'm using a Mulvad because they allow you to programmatically connect. What that means is, like, for example, if I open a terminal, you could go mulvad -- connect or whatever argument that they use, and then you could select the country here. So if I trained my script to do this via AI, then it will be able to connect to any country that it needs to through the VPN, and then send all the connections through the scripts that it has here through the VPN as well, meaning that it will not get blocked by polymarket because they have a bunch of geographic restrictions, as you can see here. All these countries are blocked. Yeah, very straightforward. So anyway, let's see how this thing works, and let's test it. Okay, so I'm still coding this, and some other things I'm going to add is I'm teaching it how it actually works here. So as you can see on Polymarket, you have a 24 to 76 cent chance for this bet, for example. And so you have to also teach the AI that. I'm also teaching it not to make bets that are over, say, 95 cents, as the odds will be, too small. The wins are not going to be worth it. The newer the bet is on a target coffee traded profile here, then the better factor, or the better score it should take on that bet, meaning that it should be looking for newer bets and not things that are aged on these profiles. Like, for example, if we look here on traded, the oldest trade would be this. So as you can see, he's got 20 shares, and the outcome's already there, so it would have been a waste of time. Yeah, basically, so pretty simple stuff. I mean, you probably get it by now if you're watching this. I'm also creating a separate module for will Bitcoin hit, etc. This is a large betting market with high frequency trades, and I want to create a side of the dashboard here that I'm working on. So, see, as you can see, I have a Bitcoin page now. All this is paper trading, by the way. I wanted to, at the same time, do paper trading for Bitcoin and see how it goes. But yeah, that's it for now. Alright everybody, I've came back after another day, and as you can see here, this is our dashboard. So for the main, it has made about 56% return on its trades, and those trades are essentially throughout here. So as you can see, entry on this for Pablo, exit for $32. I believe that was the biggest trade. No, this one down here is, that was the biggest trade for the non-Bitcoin positions. These are predictions that don't have to do with crypto. For the Bitcoin positions, we had a 255% return. This is all just within one day. So that's very impressive. We have about an 80% win rate across this. And currently in positions only lost $7, so that's nothing. This is off of giving it $1,000, by the way. So now 3,555 is what it would have if we gave it $1,000. If we gave it 1,000 here, it would have 1,500 on the main predictions. So really, this would be the way to go, is what I'm finding. And I think that I'm going to focus solely on just Bitcoin trades because they're faster and they give out a better returns. But yeah, basically that's it. That's the video. If you would like to know how I built this or learn more, then please leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Okay, I'm now going over the results of the polymarket trading bot. Okay, I am now going over the results of the polymarket trading bot. As you can see, the returns have just been gaining. It's been doing great, 173% on main trades and 712% on Bitcoin. This is just in the past 24 hours. I've gone through all these trades and fact-checked them. So I'm ready to actually put money into this. And let's see how this goes. Okay, I deposited the money. Waiting for this. Here. Should be deposited. Okay, cool. We have $52 now. Let's actually put this into action now. So now what I have to do is come back here and prompt essentially that's it, and then I will let you guys know the progress. Hello everyone, I am back and I am reporting on the polymarket bot. This is day 3, I believe. It has made $5 in the first 2 minutes and currently has been bedding down today. The engine is now scanning for MACD algorithm and CVD as well. It's doing well so far. I plugged in an API from Hyperliquid, and Hyperliquid has been giving us the high, low, and close in live time. So therefore it's able to predict the Bollinger Bands and such like that. Other than this, our bot is been trading, and we will see how it does. I will be posting the progress.